Another day at the junkyard. I'm down here pulling off this 406E, pretty much done. Everything's unbolted. I was pulling it off. Things wiggling like crazy. I realized it's sitting on a running board bracket. That's so crazy, scary. Hopefully I don't die right now, but there's that one right there, and that one's on the. Oh, this is bad. Well, let's try and get out of here alive. Yeah, on these I just go extra slow. If I would have seen that, I wouldn't have came up here, came down here. It's like right there. No way. Freaking way. Show you what it is. That's keeping it in there right now. A little wedge. Keep on battling. Do a little more so let's go. Let's get to it. Once I rebuilt one too, I'll take it. At the moment of truth, it's worth. I won't die for this shit. Chair pretty much done. Almost left without doing this right here, but there's the truck. Look at that. Doesn't look like much, but all it takes is that right wiggle. The other side too. Put this on. Look at that. Pretty much done for the day. Pulled two off today. I was gonna record them, but it's a lot of puddles and stuff where I was working. I don't want to risk my phone, but I'll be posting more. Thanks for everyone liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you guys can get me to 1,000 subscribers, I'll start tearing these things apart, maybe even rebuilding them for you guys. That'll be later though, but thank you.